Hello everybody, this is Arvind from Grammar, and today I will discuss about what is the present indefinite tense in great detail. Okay, what is the present indefinite tense, how we can form the structure of that present indefinite tense, example of the present indefinite tense, positive sentences for the present indefinite tense and negative sentences for the present indefinite tense, as well as interrogative sentences for the present indefinite tense. With that, I can discuss with you negative and interrogative sentences in the present indefinite tense. So let's start. First, I will talk about what is present indefinite tense. Okay, so present indefinite tense is something like the time which are moving now, and present simple tense we can say this one, like present indefinite tense is a present simple tense. Yeah, we present positive tense we can say also. This is okay. If I talk about the what is the present indefinite tense main thing, so present indefinite tense is something like he reads. Okay, he reads. This is an example of present indefinite tense. Okay, he reads, like something which is going in the present. Okay, that is called present indefinite tense. Okay, so he reads like a see, sing, sing. Okay, so this is present. Now I will talk about what is the structure, how can we make a present indefinite tense. Okay, how can we make a present indefinite tense in a better way. Okay, so you can see here, first we add our subject. What is subject? And then after that, subject plus verb plus yes, yeah, es. Okay, yes, yeah, es, yes or es. Okay, because that is important. If we had a yes for if we have something like a go go. Okay, so for that reason that we add es with that goes. If we have something like a run, so we add yes in that situation. Okay, runs. Okay, so subject, and then we have verb with yes plus es plus object. And if we talk about negative sentences, so in that situation, and yes, yeah, and in the other case, like if we have a singular type of this one, if we have plural type of the another one, that time we don't have required to do that one, like subject and plus we can add verb plus object. Okay, directly, don't require. This is type of the sub singular, this is type of the singular, and this one is for the plural. And now I can discuss with you some examples of that one, some examples of the present indefinite tense. So some examples of the present indefinite tense we can think like he he goes to market. Okay, he goes to market. This is one of the type of the present indefinite tense. Another case we can consider, and that one is like a see move very quickly. See move very quickly. Okay, this is the one of the type. Okay, another example if we say, so they run very fast. They run very fast. Okay, so this is the what, these are the present indefinite tense. Okay, these are the examples of the present indefinite tense. Now if I talk about what is the negative form of the present indefinite tense, so in that situation, we generally add do and does. Okay, does for the singular things, and do for the plural. Okay, for example, if we have like subject and plus does plus not plus verb plus object. This is this situation for the what, this situation for the singular, like he see it, and singular. Okay, he see, and winning name. Okay, and for plural like be, I, and for the plural like a be, they. For that situation we use do. Okay, subject plus two plus not and plus verb plus object. This is we can use. Okay, plus object, this is for the plural. and this one for the singular and this one for the plural. Subject plus does plus noun plus verb plus object. This is for the singular, and for the plural we have a subject plus do plus noun and plus verb plus object. Okay, and now I will give you some example for that. So here is some example, like she does not cook food. Okay, this is the one of the example which we can take for understand. She does not cook food. Okay, another example, Ram does not smile without any reason. Okay, yeah, this can be an example. Okay, and for these are the for singular. Okay, and now I will talk about how can be add with plural. Okay, so for the plural, like we do not dance before anyone. Okay, what I told, we do not dance before anyone. So we are using here do not. Okay, this do not we can use for the plural. So this situation is going for the plural. Here you can write this situation is going for the plural tenses. Okay, plural. I hope you understand what is singular, what is plural. Singular for the one person and plural for the many person. Singular for the one thing and plural for the many things. So we do not dance before anyone. Another example, they do not drink before their father. But they do not drink before they do not drink. Okay, this is also can be an example. So now we understand how we can make a positive present indefinite tense, how we can make a negative present indefinite tense. Now I will discuss with you how we can make interrogative present indefinite tense. Okay, so I can make this one very easily, and that is a situation we can add like first helping like a do does in before the subject, and then after do does we get subject, and then we have with our verb, and then we have with our object, and then we can make a easy way, then we make a easy way to understand. Okay, so here we are discussing what interrogative indefinite interrogative present indefinite tense. Here present indefinite tense. Yeah, so what was our helping verb? Our helping verb was has and do and does. Okay, do and does. So first we have to do and does take first before the subject. Okay, and then subject, and then plus verb, and then object. Now we have made our interrogative present indefinite tense. Now for example, I say do you eat mango? What I told, do you eat mango? Okay, so this is an example of interrogative present indefinite tense. Okay, another example I can tell, and that is does she sing Bollywood song? Okay, Bollywood song. This can be also an example of the interrogative present indefinite tense. Okay, so like we use do does at before the subject, and then after subject we use a verb, and then we use object. Okay, and then like you can take here, this was for the plural. Okay, this was for the plural, and this was for the singular. Like does she sing Bollywood songs? And another example you can make. Now I just finish this video here because 10 minutes have